We got Glock Jones. We got Glock Jones back active. Where's he from? He seemed like he's from DMV. He seemed like he's from DMV. Yep. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say. They rolling up that sheesh. Ooh.
Hey, you bad duck, nigga. You better get the fuck when I'm shooting that stick. Make sure like Kobe, that nigga don't miss. None of my niggas gon' be about a bit. Them niggas gon' be coming outside they end. You broke my hustle, bitch, you hit. You look at my shoulder, then it's a chip. They come run the park, cause your ass get dipped. That 30 parking out and stay on my hip. I stay with my clock at the first to the fifth. And if you a junkie, light up your step. Big boy Drake and knock off a left. If I do it once, I can do it again. Free YB, be getting a spin. You broke my hustle, bitch, you hit. Can't come run the park, cause your ass get dipped. That 36 on me and stay on my hip. Nigga relax. Gotta learn how to hustle if you want trap. Full on my dip, little broke at the map. Looking all crazy, how nigga get shot. I'm stuck with my dog, I'ma post in the back. That 380 blow his ass off the map. Fuck, what the fuck was that? Them niggas fine, we sit in the back. Nigga got shot, got a whole new wall. Blow nigga up, get a whole new dog. Bitch on me, tryna fuck for it all. Dick on her mouth, bitch can't even talk. When I hit the jail, I'm a thug on the unit. Stop claiming that battle, you really ain't do. They pass me stick, you know I'ma shoot. I'ma run up 100 and watch how I do. If you scam and show the soul, catch them boys and burn them all. Glock and Jones, I'm blowing the ball. Switch, we just knock them off. For my hood, I'm rolling, dog. Shake the log, I get them off. 2 cups soda, it ain't cold. You threw me off, bitch, you lost. I step on the block and that hood get lit. I can show you a trick, put your ass in the mix. Next week of the month, come get you a tip. I'm sipping with E150 a drip. Fat shit in the building, 9 in my sleeve. Tell brother to slime me, you know you gon' sneeze. To the streets, I pledge a leave. I fell in love, became a dame. You don't do back doors, we coming straight to you. My man try to spin us, whatever, let's do it. When you uptown, gotta ride with the two. Put the beam on the nigga, now you look like Uzi. Went from the hip and I do it like Pootie. Deliver the message. Hop on the car and this shit get hectic. How can you chase hope, brother, don't deck it. Don't like how I'm living, respect it, don't check it. Cause nigga, what's up? From the park and I'm throwing it up. Them niggas better go get a gun. We stuck in this shit ain't for fun. This shit ain't a game. Straight money, no coming, no change. Talk back and I'm letting it bang. Here in your brain, everything go in flames.
Glock Jones for real, man. Purple baby, west side, my best side. You live purple all the ways up, top down, we going to Western Union this week.
You niggas keep talking about freedom, man. Send that money over. Really? I'm going back in, ain't spending no money, I'm spending the bin. Had it fire, the nigga man fucking with twin. I'm still in the trap, come get your zip. We seen that play, try throw it, ooh. You dumb as shit, try to bring me a move. 990s, cop dumb it too. When I rock designer, no Jimmy Choos. Hop on the car and clear the perimeter. Bad little bitch, but I really ain't feeling her. Gone uptown after I put dick in her. Bitch named Drake, I'm thinking about hitting her. I stay on go, can't stop. Don't call me Glock, bitch, call me Glock. Hope I beat this case like rock. If I don't, this shit look rocky. Nigga run up on me, then I'm whipping from the hip. When my clock hit the drop, he got the floating like a bitch. All the I say they be sliding, but them niggas ain't no shit. Glock 2-3, I look like Jordan when I jump out with that stick. You know I'm a shooter, my brody a drive. Free little top, we younger, we vibe. Them niggas be wild, and them niggas be loud.
He's cold.
That switch go on. Goodbye, bust the loss. I'm gone, hit my phone. It's the alarm, I'm gone outside, come get you a bomb. Deep in the streets, I play by the rules. That serves to the hard, that shit like poo. I'm still in the trap, turn a 1 to a 2. It really don't matter, it's gonna do what it do. He got hit with that shit, and that nigga he flew. You running too fast, we gon' knock off your shoe. I don't know about them, but we driving shoot. I'm dropping low when I'm in the booth, for real. Glock Jones for real, man, I'm gone, man. West side, the best side, like I said the first time. I'm in the stew with that shit on me, no cap. Oh yeah, if we still winning, and we still spinning, we still getting on my mother. Bad duck, nigga, know it's time, nigga. If them niggas come through here, you bad fat, nigga. Call from out the feds, you know I press the fire, nigga. Police chases, that shit happen all the time, nigga. Load them up, let's ride, nigga. Know we bout to fight, nigga. You already know I
This song was cold. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm about it.